In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Audi S4. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. In the trunk, you need to lift up on this cover right here. There's a little handle that will hold that out of the way. On the left side of the spare tire, you're going to grab this toolbox. If you lift the handle, then you can pull it up. Open this up. It's just a couple levers. And then you're looking for this key. Grab this key. Now, using the key, in the center cap there is a little hole. Just find that hole. Then you can pull the center cap off. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take the lug bolts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel, prevent it from falling. Then grab the wheel and pull it off. Now we're going to remove the bolt. I'm going to use a 13mm wrench on the nut, 16mm socket on the bolt. And loosen it up. And pull that bolt out. Using a 16mm wrench, loosen this up. Swivel that down. Take this bolt out. Pull that out. Now I'm just using a pry bar to pry down on the sway bar. If you want, you can do both sides at once. It makes it a little easier. You can slide this down. Take the link and the new bolt. Get that started. And just get the bolt close. Now take the link, get that lined up top. And I'm just going to use a pull jack just underneath, just to raise up on the suspension. You can get the link lined up. Take the bolt and just push it through. If you need to, use a pry bar and just pry up. Just pry that up. Just tighten this down. Just pull itself in a little bit. And take the nut, get the nut started. Get that close. 30 foot-pounds, then an additional 90 degrees. You have a 13mm socket here, 15mm wrench on the nut. Now the bottom bolt, I'm just going to use a wrench. If you can torque this, you want to torque that to 30 foot-pounds and then an additional 90 degrees. It's not that easy to get a torque wrench in here. Do the best you can. And then go 90 degrees. That's good. Then you can lower the pull jack. Now take the wheel, line it up. It's lined up. Take the lug bolt, get that started. Snug that down. Get those all started. And snug these down. I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. It's good. Take the center cap. It only goes on one way. You can see on the back side there's a picture of a valve stem. You want that lined up with the valve stem. Lock it down. After you're done, take the key, close up the toolbox, slide it in place, push down the handle, take the cover off, and push it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.